everyone, let me introduce myself.
My name is Tanti Trinawati.
My name is Ratri Nur Faudia.
Here we are going to perform a dialogue with title T-shirt distribution.
This is to fulfill our midterm test assignment.
Please enjoy the show. Hello Edward, how are you doing?
Hello, did you hear about the t-shirt distribution?
No, what T-shirt?
T-shirt for promotion and student organization.
I did join. Do you think so for our identity?
I think so. So, what is your plan?
What about me making our own T-shirts to show our identity?
Do you think it's for our gang?
That's right. So people know who we are.
I agree. We'll talk about it later with our dudes. See